Well, let's just jump right in with the review of the 4K HD camera drone from Temu. Used to be $114, now the exact same drone is only $64. Don't recommend Temu. So here's the drone just from above it. It says it can fly for about 10 minutes, a range of 100 meters, 146 grams including the battery. Has a bunch of functions, however most of them don't work too well. As you can see, there's the camera and then there's also a little camera underneath it. Takes about 80 to 100 minutes to charge. Here's flight number 1. I've sped most of these up because it was not very fast, especially the first takeoff. And here's it trying to pan around. It does okay, doing the panning. Definitely pretty shaky. Obviously this is sped up, but it was still very shaky and it was very minimal as far as wind was concerned that day. And supposedly has a 4K camera. As you can see, this is definitely just a 1080p or 720p HD type of camera. So very much false advertising on Temu's part in 2023. And now here's what happened on one of the flights. As we can see, the range, well, it's not that far because it may have even been above 100 meters at this point, but it was very hard to judge and it didn't give any kind of warnings or anything. So let's just say it lost range and then it went down, but then it did reconnect, which was good. And I was able to land it quite all right on the sidewalk. And then here's the photos from that first location. You're able to take those with the app that comes with it, which are actually pretty impressive considering such a low quality camera. And here's the flight number 2 at a different location. And it's interesting now, it seems that since it had some not the best landings, the propellers are a little weird, and yeah, there's some weird functions like the zoom. It completely stops the video feed basically and just almost freezes it when you zoom in. It was quite a strange function, but it is one of the functions. And here's a downward camera, which that was very strange. Then as it transitions, it's a weird little glitch here. Yeah, but honestly, considering the fact it was basically free, it's just one of those things that Temu suckered me into to do the referral code from somebody else, and that's how I got this drone. I didn't have to pay anything for it. But Temu will not give you necessarily the products you're looking for and has a lot of false advertising, so buyer beware on that part. My recommendation is just don't buy it. It's not worth it. Don't go and buy it on Temu. Find something better on Amazon or another more reputable site. I invite you to subscribe to Rock Crusher, and here's some other reviews we have on the channel.